Let's get into another Q&A. Let's get straight into it. Do not place a trade based on what you're seeing in this video today, because trading is risky and it can cause substantial financial loss. There are so many areas you need to become good at to become a good trader. Emotional mastery, chart reading, trading systems, money and trade management. So this video is just educational only to help you become a much better trader. Alright, hey guys, I want to do just a quick little video here. I get this asked so many times, I'm going to do a video and hopefully everyone sees this. A lot of people say, what software do I use for my analysis? You can see here from Adrian. He says, what software do I use for my analysis? And what I use is, I use a platform called TC2000. TC2000 is, it's actually a paid software. And this is the software I use. It's not the be all and end all. I just like to use this piece of software because it allows me to add images. I can resize. I can put, if I wanted to add, just say a new chart, just say I wanted to add, say something like this here, and I wanted to, you know, maybe insert it here as well too, so I can get a couple more different you know, screens and stuff like that. I can delete the screens here if I wanted to, you know, so I can resize it. I can create different lines. I can, you know, I can do a lot of different stuff with it. It's not my software, it's not my company. I just like to use it because I think it's a great piece of software. So you know, if you are looking for a great piece of software, it does, I think it costs like $40 a month on the low end. I think I pay like $100 a month for the premium data and so on and so forth. So that's what I look at. But that's what I do there. That's what I do, guys. And just remember, that's the software I use. All right, that's the software I use. But there's never a brokering platform or a trading software that never substitute your hard work in researching and educating yourself about how these markets work. And if you look at my market updates in the past, you'll be able to see that I'm all about learning how to read these charts just by themselves, because that's where the real rubber hits the road. It's not indicators, it's not even fundamentals these days. It's reading what's happening right now in the markets, because what's happening right now in the market is the truth. But remember, that story is always, it can continue, or the story can change. And we've seen by peaks and troughs, strength and moves, support, resistance, and all those different things that I look at helps me read what is the truth. Because the only truth out there is the actual charts. So yes, you can have the TC2000, and yes, you can have a good trading platform, because like, what broker do you use? It doesn't matter what broker you use. It's not the broker platform. It's you as a trader. How good are you getting at reading these charts and really understand these markets? Because the better you can understand, the better you can read the chart, meaning this here, this is what I'm talking about here. The better you can just read this chart here with no trend lines, with no support resistance levels. Now, support resistance do help, they do help, but you know, with no moving averages or indicators, just looking at the price action, the better you can actually read these bars here and collectively read it as a story, because the market is telling you a story, the better trader you'll be in any trading system. Okay, so educate yourself on, and I've got a lot of, you know, if you go to my YouTube channel and under chart reading techniques on my homepage, you get a lot of videos there about chart reading techniques. Now guys, this is that's what I want to talk about. This is the platform I use, but I also want to help and encourage you guys that there is no substitute for you working your ass off to understand how these markets work, and understand that the market is telling you a story all the time. Forget the fundamentals for a while and look at the story. Because unfortunately, a lot of people, they just don't look at that. They don't look at what the story's telling them right now. Because remember, the story can continue or it can get a sudden change, and it's up to you to be alert and be flexible to bold and bend as the story is unfolding. Okay, remember, success can be yours if you go claim it. So step up, take massive action, and face your fears today. I'm not going to BS you here. Trading is hard. Over my 10 years of trading, I've learned some amazing systems and strategies, and I've put it all in my brand new Grab the Markets by the Balls course, and I'm giving you 100% free access. This whole course is 12 videos long and almost 10 hours of the best systems and strategies that I know. Click on the image below now to get 100% free access right now.